Okay, how about waking up looking refreshed and glowing without the help of thousands of skincare products? Do you want to use what you already have in your kitchen? Pretty much. Well, no problem. Let's talk about Rajani's Moon Milk, your new secret weapon to glowing skin while you sleep. Now, I tell my patients every day, beauty sleep isn't just a saying, it's actually a true science. You see, when we sleep, our skin cells regenerate, collagen production kicks in, and we wake up looking refreshed. But if stress or a restless mind is keeping you up, you're missing out on that glow up time. This is a hugely critical time for regeneration and rejuvenation, not only of your body, but of course your skin. You can get all the procedures, the skincare and devices in the world, but if you miss your moon time, none of it works. Today I'm diving into a little bedtime treat called Moon Milk, packed with a star ingredient I love and my patients rave about, but you may not even have heard about it. It not only helps you sleep better, balances your hormones, but also makes your skin look more youthful, glowing, and refreshed. A wrinkle remover. The best part is it's very inexpensive and you have most of the ingredients already. One of the star ingredients, if you choose to use it, you can purchase readily, inexpensively. Think of Moon Milk as your spa in a cup. It's warm, it's soothing, and it comes from Ayurvedic medicine. The stars of the show are 7 key ingredients and something called ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps the body handle stress. Now, if you've ever noticed that stress takes a toll on your skin, think dark circles, dullness, and breakouts, this is where ashwagandha can step in. It's like a stress buffer, helping to keep your body and your skin looking its best. There are many star ingredients, so if you choose not to use ashwagandha, that's okay. I'll tell you a little of the science about it. The benefits are, number 1, fewer wrinkles. Stress impacts everything from your sleep to how your skin ages. Think of it as putting the pause on premature aging by lowering the stress hormones. Think cortisol. You see, when you sleep well, your skin cells have time to repair and regenerate. I use it in my Sleep Extreme and Stress Relief gummies. This mixture, through its sleep-inducing properties like triethylene glycol, helps you get into that deep, restful sleep, because without that, you don't sleep properly and you don't rejuvenate. So you wake up smoother, brighter, and more glowing. Now, there's no melatonin in this recipe, and I know some of you are now taking high-dose melatonin for the antioxidant benefits. If you want to add just a pinch, you can, but there's none in this one. Let me start by giving you the recipe, and then I'll go into the science of ashwagandha to see if you want to add it. Here are the raw ingredients. Number 1, 1 cup of milk. Any kind that you like will work. I like real organic milk. Half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Now, we'll get into the science in this a minute. You might want to skip it, or if you're taking my Sleep Extreme, you're already getting it, or you can get it in the raw form. Next is half a teaspoon of cinnamon. This, of course, is great for circulation and a healthy glow. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, perfect for reducing inflammation. A pinch of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. That adds your healthy fats that support your skin and hydration. Finally, a teaspoon of honey. Some of you like maple syrup better, but it needs to be real. I like honey better. It has more antibacterial and antiviral properties. Here's the directions. Heat your milk gently. Don't let it boil, however. Whisk in the ashwagandha, the cinnamon, the ginger, and the nutmeg. Now let that simmer for 5 minutes. You're then going to stir in coconut oil and honey, or maple syrup if you're going that route, and you're ready then to sip your boosting nightcap. So ashwagandha, I said science in the introduction, so let's spend less than a minute on this because I have a whole video on it, but ashwagandha is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and they are key when it comes to skin health. Inflammation from stress directly causes puffiness, redness, and premature aging. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science even suggests that reducing inflammation can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. But that's not all. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol levels. That's stress hormone. Elevated cortisol can break down collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful, the one that declines from the age of 25 or 30. So by keeping your cortisol in check, you're protecting your skin from sagging and wrinkling. In essence, ashwagandha is your skin's nighttime protector. Now, who should avoid Rajani's moon milk? Well, if you're taking thyroid, blood pressure, or blood sugar medications, then ashwagandha could interact with them. So you can just remove the ashwagandha until you just double check with your doctor. Moon milk, of course, is going to help you get your glow on from the inside out, and you might just like natural hacks. So you're going to want to watch my complete video on ashwagandha up here and one down here on, of course, natural red light and LED masks to lift and tighten. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.